Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how you can add custom tests to your APIs. So as you know, KushoAI creates exhaustive tests for your API autonomously. But what if you have some pre-written test very specific to your team or business context and you want to include them in the test suite? So you can do it with KushoAI. Let's see how you can do it. So I will click on test suite. I will just take an API for example. So yeah, I will take this create product API, um, and you can click on add test, and it will give you two options using payload or using AI. So let's see the using payload option first. So you can add a single test using this screen. So you can make your changes here, add a description, and save and run it. Or you can bulk upload it. So we have a specific format that you have to follow for optimal results. So you can download the sample here. It will be a Excel file. So you can see like in what format you have to upload it, and you can choose and upload it from here. So for this, I will just do a add single test only. So let's take this as example. So the price is in uh, numeric digit. I will change it to maybe alphabets like A, B, C, D, and I will write here, yeah, prices in different format. I will save it, and it is added. So it will give me a tag that added my me. You can check the details. So we did A, B, C, D on the price, and you can run it from here. Or you can do it with using AI as well. So yeah, you can click on AI and then give it a, a context. So in simple language, so create a test where the price field is in different format. Yeah. And I will click here. Okay, so it is creating those tests for us. So as you can see, test price field with object or null value, boolean value, integer, currency symbol, and a lot more than that. So it's currently working, and yeah, so price these tests are created for us. So let's take this in as an example. So this is an integer only. So you can see boolean value, and it is true. So true or false. So I can run that. Or if I take a look at this, so it will create our object for us. I can run that, and it has given us 201 code. And yeah, this is how you can use the custom add feature of KushoAI. And yeah, thank you for watching.